Ang ating pagkakaisa at determinasyon ang nagtutulak sa atin sa kabila ng mga pagsubok. At sama-sama tayong bumangon at lumaban para sa ating layunin. By the virtue of the power vested in me, by the Eagles Magna Carta of 1989, of the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Yakap Philippine Eagles, I now call this First National Capital Eagles Region Convention, which includes our Rexicom and regional election, to order. Be the kind of leader that people will follow you voluntarily, even if you have no title or position.
Hindi nawawala sa atin ang Eagles Delicadeza. Pag pinairaw namin ang Eagles Delicadeza, nakakaintindihan lahat. Walang kalaban, nakaka-election tayo, smooth. Kaya congratulations sa mga nanalo at kung sa mga nag-giveaway sa lulong ko ako din.
Serving as the heart of Eagle leadership, the LCR region has produced many of our national leaders, a testament to dedication and confidence we see here. This election is not just a formality, it is an expression of our commitment to integrity, unity, and the strength of our shared vision.
Leadership is not about being in charge. It is about taking care for those in my charge. This preserves the integrity of our region and the trust of our members. It matters to me very much because transparency builds trust. When members know that the region is being managed responsibly, they feel more confident in contributing their time, resources, and efforts. This ensures that we stay true to our mission and values. These 5 key points are the pillars of my plan to lead the region with a clear vision of the resilient future.
We achieved something truly special in Bali, the principles of brotherhood, service, and excellence that define us. Our effort and commitments were driving forces behind this accomplishment. Let us continue to soar greater heights and make a positive impact in communities. Cheers to many more success. Mabuhay ang tunay na nagkakaisang kanila ng Kalasang Maynila. In unity and service, we are as one. Mabuhay ang kanila!
Officers is yung magiging liwanag kung sa lantas ng nasir sa susunod na taon. So sa lahat ng mga ating nagkalakang Maynila, lalo na sa mga district governors na nandito ngayon, maraming salamat sa inyong suporta at pagtitiwala. Ang inyong pagkakaisa at dedikasyon sa ating layunin ay napakalaga sa ating pag-unlad. Naway patuloy tayong magtulungan at magsikap para sa mas maliwanag na kinabukasan para sa ating National Capital Regions Region. Together together! Modelo and Patria, mabuhay ang National Capital Regions Region. Mabuhay!